bugs, welcome back to the channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we'll be installing and styling this wig from start to finish. Now this one does come from RPG Hair. You guys know this company if you rock with me, because I've been rocking with them for quite some time now. This time they sent me this beautiful wig here. It has a burgundy vibe to it with a little bit of a dark root. I'm gonna literally be installing her from start to finish, so you're gonna see the install process and what I do to get it melted, baby hair, style, and all of that. It did come with a nice, beautiful, voluminous texture and wave to it, but you guys see I kicked it up a notch with this beautiful curl, and I think it sets it off super amazing. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching.
Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Varje gång jag bak på dig, jag tänker åh vilket kap jag har gjort. Jag skulle gå tillbaks i tid, göra om allt igen och förstå. Ser det som ett allt, det är dig jag vill wifa. De här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid. Jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Vi kan nog ner det baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Jag vet det bara life om igen och jag vet det bara ta sin tid. Jag vet det bara life om igen och stay with me please. Du lägger till, du är där för mig. Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig baby. Du bär på mina bebek så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla.
Okay, so we got the install process complete, and I love the way this one looks against my complexion. I'm also in love with how much body it just has naturally. This is going to be a beautiful install, and I'm also considering wearing this on the 4th of July this weekend because it's kind of festive, right? My install process was a little messy, but let's go ahead and work on the baby hair.
Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength, feel the beat tonight. Something good inside, set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation.
Yeah. Okay. Hold up. Yeah. I'm chasing a bag, I'm racing the clock. Look at him block, watching him flop. Used to see this in my sleep. When I ain't had shit but my thoughts in the car, I really was lost. Now I'm public with the soundscapes. Niggas floss, I'm really pulling strings for the pound cake. I see you went for a puppet in the clown face for a little wage. That shit, the talk of the town is late. Still me, I never switch sides. Came a long way with the gas tank running on fumes. Wonder why you full on the envy. When it's all love, when I fall through with the young bulls, getting niggas a kidney, but you ain't mob, you a op. Must be lost in the sauce. Been here for the art and the jump start. Wanted this is mom, packed the lunchbox with the Kool-Aid jammers. And I'm still throwing tantrum. I'm set to roam around the planet where they know the songs and they chant them. The vision turned into fruition. I'm really liking how it's panning. They call me collector, you thought I planned it. Shit been crazy, then it fell into place. Now everything's stable. I'm all in on the table. You selling that favor, we know that it's made up. We know what you made of. I do better offline, yeah. I've been calling to a guy. I'm in tune with the science. I'm just trying to let go. I'm just trying to be me. I'm just trying to do fine. Moon landed with the elevation, Armstrong with the levitation. My third eye needed calibration, now it's heat rock when I notated. I've been going crazy. Stone face when I kill beat, leaving no trace.
Yeah, in the stove, on the corner of my road. I should've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own. Now they really calling up my phone. Now they really wish that I was home. But I don't wanna party on my own. I don't wanna feel so alone. I made a couple bands on my own. Now all they wanna do is pay for it. They don't wanna see me get money. And they don't want nothing to do with peace. I jump up in that whip, they call police. I'm driving, yeah, I'm speeding on the leash. Yeah, oh Lord.
Okay, you guys already know the edges turn it up a notch when you add the elastic band and let them set. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna go ahead and maybe put some big curls in it just to kind of like take it up a notch.
Agents on my phone, we be on the road like we on the boat. Yeah, right or wrong, I don't even know. All my conscience gone, I don't even know. All my conscience gone. Yeah, at the store, on the corner of my road. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I could've took the boat. Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now.
I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie.
Babe, yeah, down. I can't relate. Sewn off in the clouds. I got that cake, down off of her say. Can I just say that popo ain't around? Yeah. Get up on the track now, running like I'm bold. Ain't no going back now, times are getting cold. Lately I've been fast, yeah, looking for that gold. Prayed up on that podium and ran away from home. Yeah, cars, some cans, some coke. Hey, told me that's the drop, I don't see why I can't go on now. All my friends designing and at times I feel alone. Yeah, take it with the spice and now I feel like I can cope. Yeah, I'm on my feet, don't you get it? And all my riders coming with me, baby.
Okay, so you guys see I switched it up. This wig came with this beautiful body in these big voluminous curls. So my intentions were to take my T3 curling iron, the big one, I think it's like an inch maybe, and I was gonna just go ahead and accentuate what was already there, pulled out the long curler and decided against that. And excuse me, Fortnite is life in my house. But I went ahead and did these. I put a little bit of spray in them, holding spray. So I'm gonna let these set while I do this side off camera, and then we'll come back and kind of pull them apart together and see what we come up with.
Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go
wherever that wind blows, the end though.
Okay, done with my curls. Love wand curls because they always come out really good, like, you know. But let's see the hairline. Okay, so this is what the hairline is looking like. It can be perfected, it could be perfected, but it still looks good. And then you can restyle it.
High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, yeah, that Drake.
Next, we're gonna do our Old Faithful, our powder, and our concealer. If you don't want to use concealer or like a creamy product, you can go ahead and just use the powder in the hairline. But you guys know lately I've been preferring the concealer in the parting to make it look a little bit more skin-like.
Bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots. I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth. I just caught a groove.
And the only thing about using like edge controls like this opposed to the mousse is that sometimes they're a little bit oily. So even though the hair is dry, you have like a little bit of that oil to it around here. Now let's take the powder. I'm gonna go with the darker shade that I like so much. Come get your sister, Pops. Come get your baby.
Hear that Charizard, the fire in the booth, yeah. Had to go right back to it, yeah. If you ain't telling my money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, yeah. I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah.
And we seem to be done with this look. Now, if we were at a hair salon, when I used to go to the hair salon all the time, I used to like them to do my curls and not pull them out. Typically because I wasn't headed directly to my event or destination if I had somewhere to go. So I kind of just like the curls to just hold and just chill. But for the sake of the video, I will go in with a wide tooth comb and just see what it's working with.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you.
And this, my beautiful people, is the finished look. Absolutely pleased with the style. This one holds a curl like no other. The dark root sets it off. The volume, the natural body that this one had just straight out of the pack definitely plays a huge role in how beautiful the curl came out. Really wanted you guys to see the drip and how beautiful I look and feel. Let's see if you guys can get the drip from the back. But I'm Ashley B. Deck, if you didn't already know. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you lasted to this part of the video, the very end, I'm so grateful. Go ahead and subscribe, comment. Yes, the comments are back, so you guys can comment and let me know what you think of this look. Give me some tips and tricks on what you think I should do to improve my looks. Give me some ideas and options for coming tutorials. I can't think because little one is right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. A wig sale is coming this month. Today is July 1st. Wig sale is coming this month. Also, I'm going to be doing weekly giveaways starting on Monday. So hopefully there'll be 4 giveaways this month because we have comments where we can use the comments to utilize for the giveaway prizes. So yeah, go ahead and follow if you aren't already. Stay tuned for coming videos. Thank you guys for Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.
My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no.